Hi, my name's Kyle, and I'm a party animal. Whoa. They pop. It's crazy. My friends tell me I need to slow down, but I feel like I need to cause some chaos in order for my wheel of life to keep rolling. Rock and rolling. See, I'm funny too. The ladies can't keep their hands off of me. It's like I shower with liquid deliciousness or something. Whenever I drink, I get out of control. It's like I'm a different person. My friends, they call me Wild Kyle whenever I have a few in me. One time, I prank called my mom. Hi, Mom. Yeah, she was pretty upset about that one. Hey, you wanna play fetch? Get it. You're boring. Whoa, there's a bug right in my face. That's crazy. Smack you. I hit it. It's gone now. My name's Kyle, and this is my life. Are you ready for the madness? Stay tuned, 'cause I'll rock your face off. Booyah. The ladies can't keep their hands off of me. It's like I shower with delicious liquidness. Whoa, I just screwed that one up, didn't I?